Hi there, the Art-tastic sisters here. Today we are going to make a pen holder using few ice cream sticks, a roll of string, a yellow sketch pen and a waste strip of paper. And I have taken this Pringles container. You can also use a plastic bottle or anything else that has a cylindrical shape. So let's get started. First, you take the Pringles bottle and cut out in this line. I have cut this thing and as you can see the ends are not very even, but that does not matter. So now I'm going to take this waste strip of paper and I'm going to stick it like this. So now I have stuck the waste strip of paper and now I'm going to take ice cream sticks and stick them like this. Now as you can see, I have made something like this, sticking two toothpicks on cardboard. The distance between these two toothpicks are as wide as an ice cream stick. So now I'm going to take this string and roll it around like this. Now after tying it, I'm going to put my scissors and cut it like this. So now after cutting it like this, I'm gonna flatten it from both the sides. So after flattening it, I have got something like this. As you can see, the ends are not at all even, so we're going to cut it out to make it even. Now we get a small flower like this. I'm going to take a yellow sketch pen and put a dot in the center. So now I have put the dot in the center. You have to make more flowers like this. I have stuck a flower where two ice cream sticks meet and then leave a line and then stick it on the next place. Now I have taken a white strip of paper with 3 yellow lines in it and now I'm going to stick it like this. So this is the final pen holder. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. There are few videos in the screen which you may like, so try them out. If you have any suggestions or doubts, drop them in the comment section. See you next Saturday. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, stay creative.